Black Friday 2025 is dropping some insane deals on dash cams right now. And honestly, if you've been putting off getting one, this is your moment. I spent weeks testing these cameras, reading through hundreds of real user experiences, and I'm about to show you the 5 absolute best dash cam you can grab on Amazon today. Whether you're looking to spend under $100 or want the latest tech that just hit the market, I've got the perfect pick for you. Links to everything are down in the description box, so make sure to check those out. Let's dive in. Number 1. COBRA SC 400D Dash Cam. Let me start with the absolute top tier, the COBRA SC 400D. This isn't just a dash cam. This is what happens when you combine premium 4K video with smart features that actually make a difference on the road. The SC400D shoots in native Ultra HD 4K at 30 frames per second on the front camera, and you can also drop it to 1440p at 60 frames per second if you want smoother footage. Either way, the video quality is some of the best we've ever seen in a dash cam. We're talking crystal clear detail, excellent white balance, and HDR processing that keeps your footage looking natural in all lighting conditions. The kit includes a rear camera, but here's the smart part. You can add an optional cabin camera to get complete 360-degree coverage of your vehicle. That's rideshare drivers, families, fleet managers, complete visibility. Now, at around $350 to $400 for the front and rear combo, the SC400D isn't the cheapest option. But here's what you're paying for. The best dashcam video quality money can buy right now, plus a full smart ecosystem. Most people comparing this are looking at it against cameras costing similar amounts, and the SC400D consistently wins on image quality and features. The one thing to note, installation does require running cables for the rear camera through your vehicle. If you're uncomfortable with that, it's worth knowing up front. Most professionals can handle it in under an hour, but it's not the simplest setup compared to wireless systems. You can grab it at the link in the description and check out those Black Friday deals because they're moving fast. Number 2. Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam. Now let's talk about something that's probably going to shock you. The Rove R2 4K Dual is selling for under $100 on Black Friday, and it's genuinely one of the best values in the dashcam market right now. One of the smartest things about this camera is that it comes with a 128GB microSD card already in the box. You don't have to buy anything else. Unbox it, stick it in your car, and you're recording. That's huge for impulse buyers or people who want to test out dashcam ownership without dropping $500. The 3-inch display is larger than you'd expect at this price point, which makes reviewing footage and adjusting settings actually enjoyable instead of frustrating. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity is solid, and the camera supports up to 512GB of storage if you decide to upgrade later. The 24-hour parking mode is solid. Motion detection kicks in when someone approaches your vehicle, so you're capturing any hits while parked. That's peace of mind for $100. For everyday drivers, people who just want to protect themselves without overthinking it, the R2 4K is where it's at. Hit the link in the description if you want to grab one while the Black Friday pricing is live. Number 3. Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam. This camera has 3 channels. You're getting 4K on the front, 1080p inside the cabin, and 1080p on the rear. So you're seeing the road ahead, what's happening inside your vehicle, and what's behind you. That's 360-degree situational awareness. The front camera is shooting in 4K with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, so road footage is detailed and nighttime visibility is excellent. Vantrue's ClatePix technology actually sharpens license plates 1.5 times more than what you'd normally get. That's specifically engineered for legal protection. Now, the angle, at the Black Friday pricing, we're looking at $300 to $380 depending on deals. That's a jump from the R2 4K, but you're getting triple the camera coverage. If you're just commuting to work and back, you probably don't need it. But if you're working for a rideshare company or you want complete protection of your vehicle's interior and exterior, this is the move. Now, the one consideration is that 3 cameras means 3 cables running through your car. Installation takes a bit longer than a single camera setup. It's not difficult, but it's something to plan for. The magnetic mounts and hidden cable routing help, but you're still dealing with more complexity than a simpler system. For rideshare drivers, people with family vehicles who want to monitor activity, or anyone who values comprehensive coverage, the N4 Pro is legitimately excellent. Check the link in the description to see current pricing and availability. Number 4.
Kingslim D4 Pro dash cam. This camera is the camera that sits in this sweet spot where you get real 4K performance on both the front and the rear without paying premium prices. You're getting 4K on the front and 2K on the rear. That means dual 4K adjacent coverage. The Sony Starvis sensor is in here too, so low light performance is strong. The HDR and WR technology adjusts for bright sunlight bouncing off other cars' mirrors and windows, so your footage stays balanced and usable in all lighting conditions. Now here's where it gets interesting from a value perspective. The Black Friday pricing on the D4 Pro is sitting around $100 to $130 depending on retailer. You're getting dual 4K adjacent recording, solid night vision, and modern features at a price that's closer to the R2 4K than to the Vantrue N4 Pro. The main thing is that, unlike the R2 4K, this one doesn't come with a microSD card in the box. You need to buy one separately. That's a small additional expense, but it's worth noting if you're comparing total cost of entry. A good 512GB card runs about $30 to $50 depending on brand. If you want dual 4K coverage without the premium price tag of the A329, the D4 Pro is legitimately the way to go. It's well-reviewed, reliable, and offers excellent value. You can grab it through the link in the description. Number 5. 70mA Dashcam 4K Omni. The Omni shoots in 4K with 360-degree coverage. That means one camera is watching everything around your vehicle. Front, back, sides, you're not missing anything. Most dashcam setups require multiple cameras wired into your car. With the 360 design, you're getting complete coverage from one single unit. Black Friday pricing is sitting around $129.99 to $200, depending on retailer and specific deals. You're paying a bit more than the R2 4K, but you're getting 360-degree coverage instead of front and rear coverage. Here's the thing to consider. 360 coverage is amazing if you're worried about side swipes, hit and runs in parking lots, or comprehensive evidence capture. But if you're primarily focused on front and rear collision evidence, you don't necessarily need 360 coverage. Some people prefer traditional front-rear setups because they're simpler and more proven. The 360 tech is solid, but it's still relatively newer compared to dual-camera designs that have been perfected over years. For drivers who want comprehensive all-around protection and don't mind the single-unit installation, the 70mA Omni is genuinely impressive and represents a solid value at this price point. You can find it through the description link. Black Friday is the perfect time to upgrade your vehicle's protection. Pick the camera that matches your needs, grab it while the prices are down, and drive with confidence, knowing that you've got everything covered. Thanks for watching.